contributing around 0.62% of. What could $1,000 in hype be worth in 2026? What could your $1,000 investment in hype be worth by the end of 2026? And more importantly, how many hype tokens do you actually need to become a millionaire? In this video, we're going to calculate everything step by step using realistic targets, not fantasy numbers like hype to $1,000 overnight. I know a lot of people prefer Moonboy predictions because they sound exciting, but this channel has always been about realistic price targets and probability-based analysis. And by the way, most of you missed our previous hype video where I clearly told you hype was about to break out. Sadly, that video got only 198 views. Meanwhile, we've already entered our target zone multiple times. But you're still not late. There is still a good opportunity in hype this year. In fact, if you go back and watch some of my latest videos, you'll get a rough idea of my accuracy. Sadly, many people missed some incredible opportunities, from the ZEC pump to the hype breakout and many others. Before we move ahead, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. A lot of effort goes into making these realistic videos with high accuracy analysis. And if you check all of my social media pages, you'll see that everything is shared completely free, with a strong track record of accuracy. The problem is that realistic predictions usually don't get the same views as, "This coin will do 1,000 times tomorrow." So I genuinely need your support. Please like, share, subscribe, and follow us on all social media platforms. Your support helps us continue doing this for the long run and keeps this community growing stronger together. So, let's use the market share method to find out the potential of hype by the end of 2026. At the time of this recording, hype's market cap is around $14 billion, while the overall crypto market cap is around $2.25 trillion, which means hype is currently contributing around 0.62% of the overall crypto market cap. Now, let's assume a conservative scenario. If the total crypto market cap rises to $3.5 trillion to $4.5 trillion, and hype maintains its current 0.62% market share, then hype's market cap could rise to $21.7 billion to $28 billion, which means the price of hype could rise to around $97 to $126. And if you watched my previous chart analysis, my max chart target was around $80 to $85. However, hype is showing strong momentum, so even the higher end scenario is possible. Now let's talk about what everyone cares about. How much money can you make? Now, before we talk about how much money you could potentially make, let me quickly tell you about our VIP group. Inside the group, we share a lot of scalp setups for both spot and leverage trading. We also share detailed roadmaps like the one you're seeing today, which help members plan their strategies well in advance. More importantly, these roadmaps can help protect you from major market crashes. For example, in the past, we've successfully warned members before some significant market drops. Here's how we predicted the October crash. And here's a more recent example where we advised VIP members to reduce risk around May 22nd and 23rd. You already saw what happened afterward. The market dumped.
Unlike many other groups, we don't charge thousands of dollars. There's also no lock-in period. You can join and leave whenever you want. The basic plan starts at just $6. The mid plan is around $15, and the elite plan is approximately $30. If you'd like to evaluate my accuracy, simply scroll through our Patreon posts and previous public calls. I've publicly shared setups on SWI, ZEC, Hype, and many other projects. You can review them yourself and make your own judgment. Of course, public setups don't contain the same level of detail as our VIP content. That's why I highly recommend joining the group, especially because June is shaping up to be a very important month. And if you time things correctly, the next 2 to 3 months could present some incredible opportunities. However, membership is limited. Our most popular plan, the mid plan, currently has only around 11 spots remaining. The elite plan has approximately 19 spots left. Once those spots are filled, the group will be closed to new members. We do this because if too many people follow the exact same strategy, it becomes less effective. So if you're interested, don't wait too long.
If you invested $1,000 around our entry zone below $54, your $1,000 could become approximately $1,480 in the worst case scenario and up to $2,332 in the best case scenario. Not bad at all. If you're following me on social media, I'll continue alerting you whenever I see good entry or exit opportunities. So don't forget to follow me on all platforms. Now for the question everyone asks. How many hype tokens do I need to become a millionaire? Let's assume hype reaches $126. You would need approximately 7,936 hype tokens. And at current prices, that's going to cost nearly $500,000. So becoming a millionaire with hype is possible, but it's not as easy as many people think. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow us on all social media platforms. All important links are in the pinned comment. See you in the next one.
Digital, no paper thrills. Fortunes in my wallet, got that blockchain skill. Making money at the speed of light, feel the thrill. Mining